solving problems with your child. The fun is in sharing. When you show you're caring, as you solve problems with your child, life skills you shall provide. If you look at the skills for life, one of the most important skill for life is the ability to solve problems. You and I both know problems will be there. We'll go through ups and downs. There'll be so many things where we'll need to find solutions. And there, if a child has been empowered with the right kind of skills to solve problems, child is going to be a confident individual and as an adult come out of problems and difficult situations so much better. And that's where parenting comes. So when we talk about raising confident children, one of the integral aspects is how as parents you can empower children with problem solving skills. Let's look at some of the things that you can do. First, help your child identify the problem. So asking questions, open-ended questions, helping them become self-aware. Awareness of a problem will come first. And once you accept it, understanding only then you will be able to solve it. Help your child understand the multiple facets of a situation. Life is not about heads and tails, right and wrong. There are complexities, multiple vectors coming in. So let your child learn to understand the various facets of that given problem. Encourage your child by using guiding questions. What do you think can be done here? If you do this, what do you think could be happening later on? Ask these questions so the child is guided and a shaping in their behavior also happens, in their thinking process in fact happens. Use stories, use media, use teaching moments from real life situations, not just your own life, but let's say you are watching a film, a cartoon, you came across, you were what a news item, something is happening in the world that everybody is talking about. Pick them up and ask your child to give a perspective to that and help your child go through a learning process on what they would have done in this situation. Collaborate on a plan. Help your child understand that you would also be supporting, facilitating as and when required. And then reinforce the need to evaluate. As in, I've identified the problem, various facets. Let me try and implement a solution. Now let me re-evaluate. Is it working for me? Not working for me. And that's when I'll realize, do I need to change track, learn some more, take some help, or continue doing what I was doing? That's problem solving skills. So as we go towards building confidence in children, what are the importance of problem solving skills? Problem solving can be fostered within your child by you. Problem solving involves interplay of connected subsets of skills: thinking, analysis, creativity, decision making, and negotiation. You help your child understand the multiple aspects of life, because a lot of times only my view, only one view can be the biggest hindrance in solutions that you find for yourself. Use stories, cartoons, real life situations, and you support your child instead of providing direct solutions. Now, this is an aspect of parenting we all need to understand. You don't give a solution. You help your child reach the solution, because that's where learning happens, and that's how we raise confident children.